Millions of iPhone users could be unknowingly losing huge amounts of storage space to hidden files buried deep inside their devices. Tech expert Pradeep Pandey recovered a shocking 47 GB in just 10 minutes. Here's how you can too. Pradeep Pandey, co-founder of an AI education platform, went viral on X warning that her iPhone hides storage hogs not shown clearly in photos or apps. These include massive message attachments, lingering deleted files, and bloated app caches from WhatsApp, Instagram, and more. First, tackle hidden message attachments. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage, then Messages. Review large attachments. Delete bulk photos, videos, and GIFs, often 5 to 15 GB. Second, empty the Photos Apps Recently Deleted folder. Photos, then Albums, then Recently Deleted, then select All, and then delete all. These files still use space for up to 30 days, usually 2 to 5 GB. Third, clear bloated app cache. For apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, offload or delete and reinstall the app. Cache clears but data stays. Then disable auto downloads. In WhatsApp, turn off Save to Camera role. In Telegram, disable Save to Gallery. Group chats stop silently filling your device. Bonus, switch to high efficiency format in settings. Camera for smaller future files. These quick changes can free tens of GB without losing your data. Check your iPhone storage now and reclaim your space. This viral tip is a game changer for iPhone users tired of storage full alerts.